Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Lightfoot and this is
JD.
And we are here to do another fun art activity with you. What we're going to do today is called a nature mandala. So what we have here is we went out and we collected a whole bunch of things that we could find in nature. And what we wanted something that would, we'd have a lot of similar items, because what a nature mandala is it's a circular structure that the design radiates out from outward from the middle. So it's going to be dealing with symmetry and kind of like going into a nice little circle pattern. So we have all these fun little things that we just kind of walked through the park and collected. Now what we're going to do is we are going to start off first, and actually I think I can, actually I'll wait and show you. I was going to show you some examples, but I'll wait and I'll show you them at the end. Okay, so let's start off first with how we want to do our center. So I have some rocks, I have some wood chips, I have some leaves, some small little flowers. What are you going to do for your center?
Some flowers.
I was going to see, and then
Well,
I was trying to see, well, should we do it on white paper or should we do it on black? I was trying to decide. What if you do yours on black and I'll do mine on white? How about that?
That's fine.
So then we can see the difference between the two. I gotta scoop mine up so we can see it.
I'm just gonna have to just get it out of this.
There we go. Okay. Alright, so do I want to do that for my center? Good question. Yeah, that will work. And then maybe...
I'm gonna start it.
Yeah, you do whatever you want. Actually, you know what? I think you're right. I think I want to do just on the black. Let's try that again.
I told you.
So smart you are. This one's a little long. I want the smaller one. There we go. Let's try that again. And then maybe I'll put a rock right in the middle.
I'm doing like 2 leaves in there.
Yeah. Did you get a pokey one?
Yeah.
You don't necessarily have to use everything you have, but
Yeah.
like it smells very green.
Yeah, definitely. Ooh, that's actually the thing in the center.
And then what you can do, because we're just actually creating it. Now, if you wanted to do something that's more permanent, you could get a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard or a paper plate or anything like that, and you could glue it down so that you'll have it. But eventually, because it is stuff found in nature, will eventually kind of rot.
Yeah.
Not make it. Let's see, where did I put that? Okay. I want to try and keep doing things. The green paint from earlier is from another one we did.
The clay.
Yeah, but no, it's paint. What do we get? What do we do green paint with? I don't know. Anyways, well, it's on my
Table.
yeah. Let's see.
Ooh, these are fun.
What do you got? Oh yeah,
Purple looking things.
I got some little white flowers.
You can barely even see mine.
I know. I'll have to move the camera when we go to look at it, so we can see them. Let's see. Oh, you're bringing your stuff over into my area.
I'm sorry.
Stay over there. There we go. I like those little white flowers. Those are fun.
Yeah.
Let's see what else we can do. I did the purple flowers. Ooh, I have some green kind of leafy things. Those are fun. Oh, I wish we had a little bit more room.
I know.
I'm feeling out of room already. Now this was just some grass I grabbed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like kind of like longer grass. Probably was like a weed.
Yeah.
I feel like I picked a lot of weeds. Just want to make sure you don't pick like poison ivy. That would be no good.
Mm.
Have you ever had poison ivy? It's no good.
No.
There we go. Alright, now let's see. I got these like kind of like dried up berry things that are kind of fun too.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think you can really see them very well.
I have to mix mine over the white ones.
Here's a couple more. Oh, there we go. Wow.
Windy
It like got really windy all of a sudden.
I really like these ones. That's so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's like the tree gonna fall over.
If something happens to us. It was the wind. Okay. Let's see. So that's fun. Oh, these are fun too. These kind of like purple looking things. I liked these. I'll put them in there. I gotta keep moving my stuff out. I could just keep adding to this forever.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's got like a rotten leaf.
Now, I said you could glue them down if you wanted to kind of keep it for longer, but what I'm planning on doing is actually just taking a picture, and then you could print it off, and then you would have it. So I think I am almost gonna stop. See if I have enough rocks to go all the way around. See if I can kind of complete mine with like this circle. These rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't looked at yours yet. I'll have to look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you look at mine?
Yeah, I've been looking at yours. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I forgot about those little things. Those were fun too. Did you see these that I grabbed? They got like a little bit of purple in them. Yeah, I grabbed them off the bush in the front yard. But anyway, okay. So it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to take a picture of it. Let me see. So then, ooh, see, that's fun. Oh, let's get some of this stuff out. All right. I can crop it later too, but there we go. So there's mine. Can I take a picture of yours? I know you're still working on it, but
let me just add some more up there.
okay. Let me take a picture of yours.
There.
Okay, and then I'll show you guys. So this is JD's. There you go. And then I'll show you mine. And this is mine. That's how it turned out. And then I have a couple others that I can share with you of some examples. And then I'll let you guys get busy going and finding all your fun stuff to collect and make your nature mandala out of. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so here's an example of one that I found. And here's another one. That one's kind of cool. It's got like pine cones in it. Maybe another one. And that one actually doesn't have very many things, but I like the colors in it. Those are fun.
Yeah, it almost looks like fruit.
Yeah, well that one actually has strawberries in it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It has like strawberries in it.
Mm.
Alright. Let me flip. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed making your nature mandala with us, and I hope you take a picture and send it to me at Cori, CORI.Lightfoot, LIGHTFOOT at gmail or at agps.org. And we hope you guys have a great and happy rest of the week.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Bye.